Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds Creative Outlier Air on your iPhone. And to check a battery level we have only one option, is to create a widget. So press and hold at empty space and then click Edit or plus at the left top. Then tap at the Add widget and scroll down. You need to find batteries. And right here we have it, click on it, and there's 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add widget. And you can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone. And what the best one? You can check it only for the main earbud. So right now my main earbud is the left one, and I can check it only for the right one. To check it for the right one, we should make this right earbud the main. So go to the settings, Bluetooth. Now firstly we need to disconnect the left earbud, click the information icon near to it at the device list, then disconnect. After that tap on your right earbud or the left one. And now if we return right here, we can check it for the left earbud. That's the only way. This earbuds doesn't support application, so only a widget. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.